Meaning of elbow grease.
Elbow grease.
Elbow grease.
Elbow grease.
Elbow grease. Elbow grease is a phrase that means to apply physical effort or hard work to get something done. It refers to the act of using one's hands and muscles to complete a task, often involving manual labor or cleaning. When someone applies elbow grease, they are putting in extra effort to achieve a desired outcome, such as when scrubbing a tough stain off a surface. The phrase implies that success requires not just intelligence or skill but also determination and perseverance. Ultimately, applying elbow grease can lead to a sense of satisfaction and accomplishment.